Drivin Ivan here. See, here I am. Drivin Ivan here in Corvette heaven. Look at this. And this is a real classified edition of Drivin Ivan. These cars are all for sale. I saw his Corvette over by his beach house that's $70K. You can see that in another video. That one's also for sale too. But my buddy Johnny here has been collecting Corvettes, it seems, for ages. He's only had one foreign car, and I'm going to show you that in a second. You won't believe it. Anyway, so to start here, we have all sorts of beautiful, rare Corvettes. Now, this Pontiac here, Trans Am, is not for sale because that's his wife's car. So don't even think about it. But I want you to get in touch with Johnny. I'll put his number below, and you guys can work out a deal and buy these beautiful, beautiful Corvettes from him because he wants to sell them. Strangely, the one I said I'd like to drive out here, this 57 Chevy Bel Air, basically kit built on a 2004 Tahoe, I think is cool as heck. So cool. But he's joking around and says that's $200,000, so you can't have that. He likes to transport himself around in that in his kind of roller and... Anyway, you probably want me to get to it and tell you how much these cars are. So I'm going to do that. Here we go. This is the first one here. It's $89,000. It's a 1960 Corvette.
Two tops and matching numbers.
There you go. So matching numbers, two tops, and there you go. Two fours. Yeah. Two 4-barrel carburetors. Let's show you the engine there. So there you go, $89,000 for that one. And then this one, this is $100,000. It's a 67.
Every option.
And it's got every single option, he says. Air conditioning, it isn't automatic, but man, it's clean. It's got speed control too, you said, right?
No, it's got telescopic wheel.
Oh, telescopic wheel, the wood steering wheel, there you go. So there you go. This is a little deuce coupe that the Beach Boys were singing about, basically, is what we're looking at.
Power steering, power brakes, power windows, wheels, headrests, leather.
Headrest, leather, look at that. Everything original. So, there you go. This one, remind me what we're looking at here.
66.
66.
What color, you remember?
Yes, Mosport green. Mosport green.
Only year they had it, 66.
Only year they had it. So this is, you know, Johnny here likes the rare cars, don't you, Johnny?
It's got matching numbers, nice car.
Matching numbers, nice car. How many miles? I mean, people might want to know how many miles are on these.
You won't.
No, how many miles? I mean, are they low mileage, or you don't know, or
I don't know.
he doesn't know?
Guarantee no miles on anything.
He can't guarantee the miles on any of them. Okay. Have you restored them yourself, or had them restored, or you just bought them like this?
I bought them that way.
Do you buy them at auctions, or
No.
no? Word of mouth, or did you have a
The
dealership?
other one was sitting down at that, when you go into the beach, about the second house there on the right, when you go make the curve.
Uh-huh.
Guy had, or his wife had it for sale.
Oh, okay. So you bought it locally. And then this black one here. This is the bargain basement one, $49,000, he says. So this is about the cheapest car for sale in here. And it is what year?
65, all numbers matching.
65 numbers matching. 4-speed manual with reverse. Look at the texture of that interior.
Somebody put 2 4s on it.
Somebody put 2 4s on it. Your Edelbrock carburetor seems. Moroso heads there, I guess. And it's black. It is black, isn't it? Little leak on that one, or you just keep just in case you keep something underneath them, or?
I usually have it under all the cars.
Okay.
I moved the cars around the other day, I put it back.
Gotcha. Okay. The white beauty here.
63.
63. Knockoff wheels, right?
No, okay.
Oh, those are hubcaps? Oh, you fooled me. He does have one with real knockoff wheels. 327 Chevrolet Turbo Fire. Tell me about this one. This is the Corvette colors, white with red interior.
Yep.
Manual. So tell me about this one. How much?
69.
69. And what year again?
63.
69 and 63. Okay, we're getting into some rare Corvettes here. This is a 55, isn't it, sir? You said 55? And it's super rare. I think it's a couple 100,000 you want for this, right?
Yeah, 200. It's got the first V8, and it's one of 27 cars, or 29. It's got a 3-speed.
It's got a 3-speed. It's got the original V8 with no oil filter, right?
Yeah, no place for it on the block.
Wow.
And I've got both tops.
And you got both tops for it too. Is
All
it
numbers match.
original paint, or you don't know, or any idea?
No, it's like that when I got it.
Okay. I'm going to try to slide through here. I think I can do it. Show you the rest of this one.
Suck it in.
I don't quite have to suck it in, but that's pretty cool. Beautiful old Corvettes here. Johnny's got some cool cars. I'll show you the surprise in a second. But first, this one is very rare. It does have the knockoff wheels there. Looking like a Jaguar D-Type from back in the day. Beautiful, 327. And this is a couple 100,000 too, isn't it, Johnny?
Yep.
And what?
Tax air, power steering, power brakes, power windows.
So that's a rare bird. And it's a 67 also?
63.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, it's a split window. I'm sorry. I didn't get to the back of it. Silly me. Of course, it's a split window, y'all. I wasn't showing you the windows. I know that it was the only year that Corvette offered the 63. Yes, I know. In fact, I interview a lovely lady who drives one of these 63 as well. And that's elsewhere on my YouTube channel. So you want to search any car in Drivin Ivan. Watch me driving the C7 Corvette with the GM representative in weather mode when I lose control of it. That's a cool video. When I review the C7, I also review the Grand Sport, and I review my own C3 Corvette. And now it's time.
Picture of the RollsRoyce.
Yeah, I will. I'm getting to that. But first, Johnny's over there. Say hi, Johnny.
Hi.
So that's Johnny. Give Johnny a call. I'm going to have his number here. And if I send you to him, let him know. Because Johnny's going to take care of me a little bit. Because I'm a broke video producer on YouTube. But Johnny's got some cool cars that he wants to sell you. And look, at one time, not too long ago, maybe 5 years ago, he owned Elton John's RollsRoyce, the only foreign car he ever owned. And this was a car that Elton had, and he wanted to look like John Lennon, because John Lennon had that painted RollsRoyce that was yellow and all wild and psychedelic and everything. So Elton John, not to be outdone, said, "You know what? I'm gonna have my RollsRoyce painted that color too." So that's what he did, and Johnny owned that car up until about 5 years ago, and he sold it. So there you go. Here are Johnny's very cool Corvettes in this real classified edition of Drivin Ivan's video here. Johnny is a good guy. He's down here in Florida, not too far from Fort Myers. You can easily transport the car anywhere in the country. It's pretty easy to get an 18-wheeler down here to take it, so that's not a big deal. Talk to Johnny, work it out. He seems like a nice guy, and he will get you behind the wheel of one of these really cool Corvettes, but not his wife's Trans Am. Sorry about it. Look, he's got Corvette rug up there, and he's just a very nice guy. So a nice guy with some really nice cars that you guys might want. So do get in touch with him. These are real cars. He's a real guy, and I'm going to give you his real number down below. That's what I'm going to do.
You want it now?
So there you go. Oh, I'll get it in a second. But
Tell him the titles are all in my name. They're all registered in Florida.
titles are all in his name and registered in Florida. You drive them all? Yeah? Must cost you a fortune, huh, the insurance? He's like, yeah. There you go. So here's Johnny's Corvettes. They're all for sale, plus one more, the green. What's the green convertible for 70?
67.
67 green with a white top.
Power
Convertible.
steering, power brakes, and air.
Power steering, power brakes, and air. Nice car. Has some beach dust on it right now. Sitting right across from the beach on a windy day, but it's a beautiful car. All of Johnny's cars are beautiful. And like I said, search any car in Drivin Ivan, and please do smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and hey, also search for my music videos, like where I play the Beach Boys, Surfer Girl on the beach. Why not? Or where I play all the instruments on Louie Louie, or Hotel California, something like that. Watch my free or my music video. It has all my musical guitar, bass, drum collection in it, and also my a lot of my car collection. Want to know what I drive? Search what does Drivin Ivan drive. But yes, do search Drivin Ivan in any car, and get in touch with Johnny and buy one of these awesome Corvettes. Thanks for watching. Here's Johnny. I'm Drivin Ivan.